How to delete Google Play Store purchase history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Gmail application on your device. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Go to Google account, and here you will be heading toward the setting of your Gmail account. From that, go to Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of delete your Google account. Simply click on it and delete all your data. It is because till the date in Google Play Store, when you go to purchase and payment and in budget, you won't be able to delete your budget history. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.